Hello, parents. My name is Julie Williams. I teach English 10 and Honors English 10, and I apologize that I was not able to be at open house tonight, but I've prepared a few things that I would have wanted to say to you, and so here they are. First of all, I'm really excited to have moved from 11th grade to teaching 10th grade. I'm enjoying the 10th graders and very glad to be here. The 10th grade English class is a survey of American literature from the beginnings of the United States to about 1914, and so that's the curriculum in 10th grade English. For 10th grade honors, we still hit some of those early American literature pieces, but I do use a lot of LTF lessons. That stands for laying the foundation, and it really gets those students ready for their AP classes that they'll take in the 11th and 12th grades. I want to mention a word about my syllabus for each of the classes. You can either get my syllabus on the school website under faculty or ask your student to pull it up on Canvas, and that's the place to find each syllabus. A word about office hours. Students can find me for office hours on Wednesday and Friday, the first half of Power Hour. Another thing to know is that I do get to school early, and I'm generally here on 7:30 in the morning if they need to find me. Students do have weekly assignments on No Ready. Those are due every week at 4 o'clock. Daily agendas are posted on Canvas, and that's helpful for students who have had to miss class for any reason. It's under the announcements section of Canvas. And of course, if there's ever a time we need to get together in conference, the easiest way to reach me is through email, and that's julie.williams@hsv-k12.org, and I'm always happy to meet with parents who would like to sit down and get together. Thank you so much for being here, and I'm, again, regret that I had to miss open house, but I look forward to meeting you later in the year. Thank you.